Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Federal High Court set to rule on Osagie Ize-Iyamu's eligibility for the Edo governorship election that has been concluded since September the 19th. You know, this thing is just, it's kind of like funny to me, but I get it. You see, the elections has come and gone. However, there's what we call pre-election and post-elections issue. Pre-elections issue are those issues you take to court to say, this is why A, B, Z. These are my reasons I have against him or her from contesting. Post-election issues are the ones you go and say, after this election, blah, 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 was found. So for this reason, especially if the person has won, the person does not deserve the victory and should be retracted from him or her. So, before pre-election now, yes, Ize-Iyamu, APC Governor Godwin Obaseki took Ize-Iyamu to court saying that he did not qualify in the first place because there was no proper primaries that saw him elected. So this was in the court, but guess what? The court adjourned that matter till post-election. This was a pre-election matter because the court adjourned it to date after the September 19 is why you're still having this matter still being dragged as it is today. So the court is set to deliver judgment on Ize-Iyamu. The court section is still ongoing. That's why you've not heard of any formal ruling out there. But these are up-to-date information of what is currently going on. Federal High Court in Abuja is set to deliver judgment in the suit filed by the People Democratic Party seeking disqualification of Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu from the September 19 governorship election in Edo State. The plaintiff in the suit filed on July 3, 2020 is claiming that Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu was not a product of a valid primaries, hence should not be allowed to participate in the election that has gone. So that's what is happening. Defendants in the suit are in the Independent National Electoral Committee. Defendants in the suit are the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and the All Progressive Congress, Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu. Currently now in court, we are waiting final judgment as the matter continues to be discussed. My Lord, I beg, my Lord, I stand to, my Lord, those matter and the rest. So, it is happening right now, and we are still waiting to hear more with regards to that matter. So, my Lord, the matter is ongoing, but the truth of it is you might wonder, okay, if you said this was a post-election matter, it was, something with a pre-election matter, the elections has come and gone. How come the case is still in court? I'll tell you what. The case is still in court because at the moment, Ize-Iyamu, APC, has sued Governor Godwin Obaseki to court, saying that the victory he won, he did not deserve it. That the victory should be overturned and the runner-up in the election should become the governor. Meaning INEC should withdraw the certificate. You know that they handed over certificate as soon as they announced that you are the winner, which now, when you do a course now, you get when you do an exam, you get a result, which now gives him that position to be able to become the governor of the state. So he's saying INEC should retract that and give it to the runner-up, which happens to be himself. But guess what? The thing is, if, for instance, by any chance, Ize-Iyamu is, according to the prayer of Governor Godwin Obaseki, PDP, the court says, we have looked at all the evidence before us. It is crystal clear that Ize-Iyamu was not fit to participate in the election. In fact, the participatory role he had in the election was not in accordance with INEC regulations, and laws. as a result, we nullify his position, the opportunity for him to have contested, and whatever he had that qualified him to contest, we nullify it. What that means is that he is not any member. He was no longer, it means that he did not participate in the race, or was not even qualified to participate in the first time. So whatever case he has against PDP or Obaseki will be automatically dropped. So you catch my drift. So that's where the bone of contention lies. If the court finds Ize-Iyamu guilty, meaning that he participated in the election illegally due to the fact that his party did not formally nominate him, or he did not go through the proper primaries in his party, then he has no jurisdiction to go ahead and sue Governor Godwin Obaseki. Whatever case he have against Governor Obaseki will be automatically dropped, and he can no longer, carry forward his desire with regards to having Obaseki disqualified on whatever grounds he has against him. So this is why the case is still being pursued by PDP. That's why PDP is still on the case and has not dropped it. Because when you have a case with somebody, yes, you are the one who has gone to the court to say, I feel offended, I feel hurt by this, and I want the court to give me justice. So you will come with your facts, and the judge and the other person will come with his, evidence and facts as well. Then your lawyers will battle it out. You don't come there battling with your own. No, they lie against me. It's not true. I was not guilty. No. You come what we call beyond all reasonable doubt. You produce evidences. You produce things that shows that truly and really it's your right. Then the judge who is now to give justice will say, yes, looking at the case before me, having considered every area that has been given, what happens is I now declare this case, blah, 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 in the favor of this person. It could be I declare that this person really, truly was wrongfully, this was wrongfully done to this person. So this is now my judgment in favor of that person. Or it could be the judge will, the other way say, well, I've looked at the evidences before me. I think there is no basis for what you are arguing. So therefore, I have, the case has been closed or cannot continue. That's what's happening. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.